Welcome, here I've got DOOGEE S96 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. Let's start by tapping to the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. When we pick this button, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage with the grid line button here. So just one tap to turn on the camera grid lines, another tap to turn them off. The yellow color suggests us that now they are turned on, and here in the preview we can see these lines. This is useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography or making experiments with composition. And of course remember that the grid lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I go to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, we can't see these lines at the real photo, so they are only to help us taking better pictures. And of course when we don't need them, we have to tap to the right corner button once again and to the grid line option to turn them off. So for now, in the preview, the grid lines have gone. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.